Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. I can see a nice dish that you have carried, you are holding. So can you just name that dish? What exactly you have prepared?
Yes, sir. So we have prepared 4 different types of sandwiches. This one is the cheese sandwich, this is the veg sandwich, this one is the jam sandwich, and that is the Nutella sandwich.
Oh, that's nice. Can you quickly tell us how exactly you made it? What ingredients you used in this?
So in the vegetable sandwich, we used tomatoes and cucumbers with cheese
Okay.
and oregano and chili flakes.
Okay.
In the jam sandwich, we used jam, and in the cheese one, we used butter on the top and cheese in the next 2 layers.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. And how much time roughly it took for you to prepare this?
So mostly 15 minutes, but it would have taken a lot of time if all of them wouldn't have been there to help us.
Okay, so it's a teamwork basically, and due to that teamwork, you could finish it within 10 to 15 minutes. And that's a nice dish to have it for the breakfast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for talking to us. Thank you so much.
So we are the group 2 and we have made these food items without fire. This is our appetizer, the tokri chaat. It is made with nylon shaved tomato, onions, potato, etc. This is our snack. It is a healthy Frankie. It has paneer, veggies, cheese, brown bread and mayonnaise in it. This is our main course. It is a veg burger. It is made with paneer, corn, capsicum, mayonnaise, oregano, chili flakes, etc. This is our healthy dessert, the banana shikrin. It has sweet milk, banana, dry fruits and some saffron on it. Thank you.
Great, that's really nice, and the kind of a presentation that you have made, it's really nice, right from appetizer, breakfast till the main course, almost everything you have covered. How much time it took, by the way, for this?
So like 20 to 30 minutes.
So within half an hour, entire table is ready.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to me. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
So good
Good morning. Yes.
Thank you, sir. So here we try to make street food. So that's Chef Puri chaat. Here we have papri chaat, and with the toppings we have here green chutney, the spicy green chutney, the tangy chutney. To top it off, we had put some shave, the kanda, and some chaat masala.
Okay.
And with the sides we have the tangy chutney, the sweet the green chutney and the puri. And moving on to the second one, so here we tried to make a vegetable sandwich. So here is the bread, and in the inside the bread there are tomatoes, onion, corn, potatoes, and oregano chili flakes, and some to top. And on the sides we have some butter, the tomato ketchup, and the green chutney, and some corn we put it for the sides. And
Okay.
this is all we have. We tried to make it. We tried to make it a street food style, but it has been a little outside, and it is a little junk food. So I would recommend it to not eat it daily, but on some certain basis or certain occasions we can eat it.
Okay, that's very nice of you. Nice information you gave about that activity. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. In fact, you covered everything. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh yes, good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you just tell me which activity you have done?
This is a cooking without fire.
Cooking without fire. It sounds great. Okay, in that, what you have made?
We have used bread,
Okay.
cheese slices and cubes,
Okay.
tomatoes,
Hmm.
cucumber,
Hmm.
chaat masala,
Hmm.
little bit of ketchup.
Okay. You recommend this for all ages or any particular age group?
I think all ages.
So anybody can have this.
Yeah.
Right. What's the nutritional value of this? How much healthy this is? It is healthy, it seems, right? The ingredients that you said.
Yeah, it is actually.
It's very good to have this for a breakfast every day.
Not every day.
Okay, fine. You need variety, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No issues. Anyway, thanks for talking to us. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.